anyone considering switching their DMS, it's a very serious decision, right? Because it's a mission critical application for your business. We partnered with Reynolds & Reynolds and their professional installation team. We found the amount of resources that Reynolds & Reynolds put into the installation was extraordinary.
I think they were very mindful of preserving what we had already built, not tearing it down and starting new, but also just picking up from where we left on, make sure we preserve what is good and then enhancing that. Everybody had a voice at the table and everybody's concerns were addressed, and that we felt like we were going into the product prepared, fully prepared and ready for day one.
My experience with the installation was fantastic. The team did a great job communicating what needed to be done from the top executive management all the way down to the lot porter and staff, letting them understand what the process was going to look like, how it was going to happen. It was incredibly smooth for as big of a project as it was to transition 46 dealerships in over 6 months.
One of the things that I like most about Reynolds & Reynolds is the people. The people at Reynolds & Reynolds are really well trained themselves, so they're very well equipped to train others. And so for us, we found the trainers to be really knowledgeable. We found the amount of training provided to us was just the right amount.
My experience with the Reynolds trainers, they are incredibly knowledgeable on their product, how to use it, how a new user is going to interpret it. They're in the bays with the technicians, asking them how they're using the product. If there's any challenges that they need to more training or additional training on. They've been a key provider in making sure that the whole process flows smoothly after the launch.
I've been through many DMS conversions in the past, and I can say that this one was really well supported, and so it truly was what they said they were going to deliver. They went above and beyond that.